Why you look angry? Don't make you do double work? Here, come on. Come get video. So, we're getting video of our... What's the name of the bag, baby? Come on. Come look on the front.
I'll show you guys. Oh. Asani.
Alright. So, we have driven through thunderstorms, hail, and a blizzard. And we're going to see if our stuff is still dry. We don't know, but we just arrived at Rocky Mountain National Park. Oh!
How is it?
It is totally dry. Crazy. Look at that. Okay. It's a little frozen, but it is dry. All right, baby, you can close it out.
I can't do mine. Okay.
Bye. This bag has been amazing. What is the brand? Asani? Huh? This is my wife. All the snow, all the storms, and totally dry. Yay! All right, we are done at Rocky Mountain National Park. Peace out. See ya.
Realize that it is full of water, so these are soaked. Everything's soaked. Bummer. Okay, so this is after a 2,900 mile trip. I just got home, just unpacking, so from what I can tell, it worked pretty good. Nothing got wet on the way down or back. Had no issues putting it on the roof. I say this was a good buy. You should buy one yourself.